My goal is to understand my client to the best of my ability and intervene with healthcare practices that are appropriate for them.
Faculty has been really supportive of my goals both inside and beyond the classroom. They've really established my appreciation for lifelong learning and just taking opportunities to really uphold the values of occupational therapy in both my personal and professional endeavors. I'm from the Sacramento area, so I liked that the program focuses on community and gives back to the community. And since I grew up in Sacramento, I liked that I was able to give back to the community that I grew up in as well.
The physical structure of the school itself, I think, kind of lends itself to fostering community. We have smaller class sizes and there's a centralized building, so being able to communicate with one another is really easy, and there's always someone there to support.
I would describe my support from the faculty here as exemplary. They really get to know you as a person in and outside of school. There hasn't really been a time where I felt like I wasn't supported if I needed anything. And every single time I look over my shoulder, they are there rooting for us to get to the end.
It's been important for me to really discover what my purpose within occupational therapy is, what I want my impact to be, and the legacy that I want to leave behind with this occupation and this profession.